Well, yeah, well, at the moment it's 5 kilometres. Never mind your own county, but I know I do anticipate that this summer it will be possible for people to, holiday within Ireland, as in, to be able to go to Kerry or Mayo or Waterford or wherever they want to go, or even Dublin if they wish. So I think that will be possible this summer. Now that is contingent on there's lots of ifs there, and I don't need to go through them. But between cases coming down, and the vaccine being provided to a lot of people, I think a home holiday in the way people had them last year will be possible this summer. Obviously, international travel is going to be very difficult, much more difficult than it was last summer, unfortunately. And I love travel. I love going abroad. I love my sun holiday. I love the beach. I love the warm sea. I'd be the first on that plane if I thought it was safe to do so, but unfortunately, it's not.